Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I have received one of the comment from the one of my user over here around how you will be able to upload the background image of your LMS. Okay, so we'll see the step by step process and how you'll be able to do upload the background for the login page and background for other page. Of course, we'll have the two different options. The login will have the separate options to upload the login page, and for all the other pages we'll have the background page. Okay, so we'll try uploading one two sample images and we'll see how it look like. Okay, so let's quickly jump over the screen now.